Now I want to share you a tip on how to do the factory audit and help you to select the good factory. When I do the factory audit, I always ask the factory below questions. Who is your quality team leader? What is his title? And to whom does he report directly? Actually, by this question, I want to know if the quality team leader has enough right to speak in the factory. Because in the factory, the quality team always have to say, no, stop, slowly, please follow the process to the production team. But if the quality team is a weak team, if the quality team leader is lower than the production team leader, how can they work well? And in some factories, the quality team leader is only a supervisor. He has to report to the production manager. This is more worse. This seems just an organization not related to the product quality directly, but actually it affects the product quality or not. So during the factory audit, we always have to check the organization. This is Hank. I am a third-party quality inspector focused on the lighting field. Currently, we are working with some very famous lighting brands of the world as the quality inspector in China.